When you could use a little help getting started with a CorelDRAW project, it's sometimes nice to start with a template. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to find pre-installed CorelDRAW templates, where to find more templates, how to use templates, and how to save your own templates. Before we get started, if you're watching this video on YouTube, you'll find a link in the description below that will take you to our tutorial page on Corel's Discovery Center. Here you can also find a written version of this tutorial. To start a new document from a template, I can start in the Welcome screen and click New from Template in the Get Started tab. Or I can choose File, New from Template. The New from Template window includes a small selection of templates as a starter pack, but there are many more templates available for download. To find more templates, I can click the Get More icon, or back in the Welcome screen, I can open the Store tab. After filtering the list for templates, I'll look for the business pack of free templates. CorelDRAW subscribers will also see numerous premium templates available for free, and these templates are available for purchase for non-subscribers. I'll select the business pack, download, and install. When I click New from Template this time, I now have hundreds of templates. I can adjust the size of the template thumbnails with the slider and adjust the preview area size. These templates are organized into several different categories, including book covers, business cards, calendars, and much more. Clicking a thumbnail displays the enlarged version with title, size, and other page details. For some templates, such as this calendar, multiple standard sizes are provided. Returning to all categories brings back the entire list. A template's category is defined in its properties, which I can access by selecting a template and clicking the Properties icon. In the Properties window, I can see the template title, keywords, which are used for searching, template layout details, and category. Clicking the Open Folder Location icon opens the folder where these Corel templates are placed. Templates can be placed in other folders as well, which I'll demonstrate farther on. For my first example, I'll start a document from a template, open the Brochures category, and find this monthly newsletter template. To open the template, I can double-click its thumbnail or click Open. Now I'll use this template as a basis for my own company newsletter. I've added my company logo at the top and changed some of the curve fill colors. I would make similar changes to the other pages of this document. I want to save this document as a new template so that it can be used to produce the company newsletter each month. I'll choose File, Save as Template, and place it in Corel Templates, though I could save it elsewhere. I'll assign the name Sent Newsletter and save. In the Template Properties window, I'll change the template title and enter the tags Sent and Monthly, separated by semicolons, to make it easy to find this template. The template is already in the Brochures category, but I could open the list and place it elsewhere, or create a new category. I'll click Save again. Now I'll start a new document from a template, and the newsletter template I saved is in the Brochures category. But if all categories are displayed, I can also find the template I want by searching for keywords. I can enter Sent, or Monthly, or Newsletter, since the filter also looks for file names. If I know I want to access this template often, I can right-click on it and choose Favorite. Now this template appears when I choose Favorites from the Templates dropdown. I'll open the template, and each month I can edit the template and use File, Save As for each newsletter. For my next example, I have a CorelDRAW file that I want to use as a template for future documents. I'll choose File, Save as Template, but this time I don't want to save it with the other Corel templates. Instead, I'll save it to another folder I set up, perhaps on a company drive that colleagues can access. Now, when I start a new document from a template, I'll need to find the correct folder. I could do this by clicking the Open Folder Location icon and finding the folder, but I would have to do this each time I need this template. Or I could click the Options icon and choose Browse, but this would make the new folder the default for opening templates, which I also don't want. The way to make this folder easily findable is to click the Templates dropdown and choose Add New. I'll click Create Alias, browse to the folder, and select it. Now for future documents, I can find this folder in the drop-down. Finally, whereas CorelDRAW files are saved with the CDR extension, template files have the extension CDRT. If I use File Open instead of New from Template and open a template file, I'll be asked whether I want to create a new document based on this template or open the template itself to edit it. This brings us to the end of this tutorial on using templates in CorelDRAW. If you've been watching this video on YouTube, you'll find a link in the description below that will take you to our tutorial page on Corel's Discovery Center. Here you can also find a written version of this tutorial.